Hi guys, this is how I got my bride Samia ready for her traditional wedding yesterday. After wearing her contact lens, I went ahead to moisturize the skin using the Dauber Face Spray Snail 96, and then I applied the Grip Primer by Milk, and I also applied the Dauber Under Eye Serum, and I went ahead to apply the foundation using NARS. And here comes my favorite part of doing makeup, liquid blush. And I used the Curve Case made by Mitchell. Some bronzing around the forehead, the one to lift the eyes, and then the nose contour and the cheekbone contour. Blending is key. Blend, 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 blend. And then we're ready to put the highlights. Using FBH concealer, my all-time favorite, applied the highlights under the eyes, the forehead, between the nose, and then I blended. Just look at that skin work. Using the Easy Bake by Huda, I set under eye, and then I used my Charlotte Tilbury powder for the rest of the face. The face was coming together really nicely at this point. And then I bronzed with Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha and applied my blush. Again, one of my favorite things to do during makeup is blush. So I applied a soft pink blush, and then I set with Dauber Face Spray Serum. And then it was time to do the brows. I applied the brow wax on the brows to lay it flat. Then I went ahead to do the eyeshadow. I was going to do a pigment eyeshadow. Sometimes applying just one color of pigment is boring, so I had to do 3. After applying the gold, I went in with the second one that had a purple finish, and then the third one had a red finish. And the combination of the 3 of them is what we see here. For those that keep asking me where to get the brow pencil I use, comment brow and I will send you the link to purchase it. Finish up the makeup, we had to go with a nude pinkish lip. Glossed it up, and I happened to capture when her sister was making a video of her and she was feeling herself. So now this is one of my finishing steps that I don't miss. I use my Fenty Beauty finishing powder to brighten the under eyes, and then I also top up on the blush. Very important, I don't ever miss this. Applied a glossy balm on the forehead, applied mascara on the lower lashes, and then went in with my Tilbury airbrush spray, Dauber Face Spray, and Cryolan. This is the before and the after.
Oh my days, this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it 100%.
Tochi did the gele and she was ready, but I had another client at home, so I had to go before she wore her outfit. But you can see she looked really gorgeous. If you're a bride, book now before your date gets booked. Thank you.